Hi guys, this is Subhash here. You guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber here in Velankanni today. So I'm riding home. This place is called Manargud something, 60 kilometers away from Velankanni. So I'm going home now. It's 6 o'clock in the morning now. I couldn't sleep here. This is, I'll show you. So guys, this is the room I got, and this is the main road here. You see this, and that's the bus stand. Whole night buses are coming through this way. They make sound. So this is the way here. So I couldn't sleep properly since 4 o'clock. I have been wake up and trying to sleep that since that time. So this is what happens sometimes. Let's have a cup of tea, then start a ride. I already packed my things here. It's done everything. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay, let's have a cup of tea first, then let's start a ride. One thing I forgot to mention here, 5:30 sunrise comes up at this place because it's the other side of our place from Goa. As even last night I see it's around 6 o'clock, getting dark here according to my experience. This is the area here, and I was in this hotel here, this room here, and this is the restaurant, and that's my bike here. I will put some lube in the chain. So almost 65 or 70 kilometers I have ridden last night. I'll have cup of tea outside and let's start a ride. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, I am at Thanjavur here, Thanjavur. You see this temple where I was stopped for the cup of tea. That person had told me about this temple, and this has a lot of history about this temple here. So I came inside just to show you. It's a big fort also there. It's a big huge area inside. I'll try to show you if I get chance to show you from little bit further. Okay, and one more thing about this temple is one of the worshipping Tamil Nadu's people to the god. This is the one of the biggest temple they said me about this. Okay, so guys, this is the temple that I was talking about. It's a huge like a fort. Every Tamil Nadu people worship here, each and every one of this place. So it's a big fort here. So guys, this is 1010 years old. They say this temple is the first temple in Tamil Nadu. Big temple, they say about this. It's a very old temple and one of the biggest religious temple in the Tamil Nadu history. Okay then. Okay guys, this is parking area here. You see, it's a big temple inside there. I will leave now. This is parking area. Okay, and my bike is there. I will leave. They don't charge anything to go to the temple or visit the fort there. Just 5 rupees for parking a bike. Okay, I'll start riding now. It's almost 8:30 now. Yeah guys, I just stopped to have a cup of tea here. That place, they have a 5 rupees samosa. One samosa for 5 rupees they charge. I never had a 5 rupees samosa in any other state or places. Okay, this place is called Tirchi. Almost 180 kilometer I have ridden till now from Velankanni. Okay, I'll head this way now. Okay, let's go. Yeah guys, this is the same place where I serviced my bike there. It's over there. And that's the temple where I shooted in previous episode when I was going to Velankanni from here. And this is the Ram Prakash. Here I stopped to have a cup of tea. So guys, what is this? It's taking rest guys. We have to take rest. Some places like this on a long ride. This is what behind the scene is. That's the road there. You see, I am almost next to the border now. At least 450 kilometer I have ridden till now. So I was taking some rest here. So guys, this is the border area here, and that's the ghat. It starts from here now. It's Tamil Nadu and Karnataka here. That road, this is the border. I crossed it just now. I'll go this side. It's a wild area from here. I would like to tell about Tamil Nadu roads. Very nice road in Tamil Nadu. In my 700 kilometers ride inside Tamil Nadu, it's very beautiful road here, nice and neat and clean also. Okay, let's go now. So guys, I am in Karnataka now, almost 20-30 kilometer inside here in Karnataka. So I just had a chai pani here. It's a 450 kilometer I have ridden, and Mysore is 100 or 90 kilometers away from here now. So I'll take from Mysore to Mangalore there. So I'll take to Mysore, then Mangalore, and let's see what time I reach there. It's already 5 o'clock in the evening now. I took some rest on the way. Karnataka Ghat here. And when we enter, at least 25 kilometers road rough here in this area only. Now it's quite better from here. So I'll start riding now. So 5 o'clock already. Okay then, see you. Alright guys, that is Mysore there, and this is bypass road. From here it's 260 kilometers something, Mangalore. I'll take this bypass road from here. Let's see how long it takes. It's 6:45 now. 550 kilometer I have ridden now. Okay, let's see. So guys, I am on the Mangalore road now. It's a Mangalore road behind me. This is Mysore road. I'll go this side now. On the way, it's almost 220 kilometers away from here, Mangalore. I'll catch that road and then go to Goa. It's 7:30 in the night now. Let's see how far I can ride tonight. So I have ridden this much, 543 kilometers from the Velankanni here, and it's 8 o'clock now. So this is the way to Mangalore. I'll take this road. So guys, I am in Kushalnagar somewhere. It's on the way to Mangalore. It's 170 kilometers away from here now, Mangalore. So I feel a little bit sleepy. Too much potholes on the road. So I don't want to bang my bike in that at night. So I stopped here. Even around 500 kilometers I have to ride to my home. That I will do in my next vlog tomorrow. So I'll show you my room. This is Oyo's hotel here. I'll show you. Yeah, this is the hotel room I got in Kushalnagar. Here they gave me some discount of, I just said I'm a rider. Then they gave me some discount on that. They have nice hotel, neat and clean also. Okay, tomorrow I'll show you outside as well. So guys, if you like this video, like my ride, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. See you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.